Hi, I'm going to show you how to embed videos that are hosted on screencast.com into a WordPress blog. And I'm talking about WordPress as in WordPress.org, so the WordPress version that you install either on a server you own or that you're hosting somewhere else, not on WordPress.com. So first, I go into my video that I've uploaded to screencast.com and go to the sharing link and then copy the embed code, the one that says embed on your page. Not the embed link, but the embed on your page. So I'm hitting the keyboard shortcut to copy that and then done. Now I go to my blog, add a new post, give it a great title, and then there are two editing modes. There's visual mode, which usually that's where it is often, but you want to go to the HTML mode and then paste your code. So this is the embed code that we've copied. Now let's just publish it and see what it looks like. Let's go to View Post. And here we go. And now it's automatically in our blog. Now, if you like it like this, you can leave it and you're done. However, you may notice that there are black bars at the very top and the very bottom. And this is because the actual size of the video is wider than the space that it can fit in. So the video, I believe, is I think 720 pixels wide, whereas the size that it can fit in is like 580 something. So in the next part of this tutorial right now, I'm going to show you how to remove these black bars. So first we need to do is figure out, well, exactly how wide is this video. I'm going to use Snagit. You can also use Jing to easily do this. I'm going to hit the keyboard shortcut to invoke Snagit. And get at the very top, drag it down to the bottom. Alright, now you can see right here it says 585 by 450, and I'm going to write that down. Okay, now let's go back to the post we're editing. Now you notice there's a couple places where the embed code tells WordPress how wide it is. Now WordPress does resize it so it does fit instead of doing weird wrappy things. So it says the width is 720 by 450. So we want to figure out what's the ratio that it's been kind of scaling it at. Let me go to my calculator and I'm going to type in 720, which is the actual width of the content, divided by whatever it's displaying it, and that's the 585 that it's displaying at. So we got 1.23 blah 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 blah. That's a little uneven, so I'm going to round it up to be 1.25. Let me write that down, 1.25. Now I do want to make sure that this is a ratio that will result in an even number when it's divided by. So for instance, I want to do 720 by 1.25, and that comes out at 576, which is number one, less than the 580 we measured it at, so it will fit, and it's got a 6 at the end, so it is even. So let's go with that. So 576. So it's going to be the final result of the video is going to be 586 wide. Now we need to figure out how high. So the height is 450. We do 450 divided by that ratio number. 1.25 is what we're using. And that comes out at 360, which is also even. So that's good. No, it doesn't have to be even, but there are some times when odd numbers won't work, so it's best to go with even numbers. Alright, so now what we do, so we've got 576 by 360 is what we want. So we change this number, 720, into the 576, and then this number into the 360. And also, if you scan down towards the bottom, we've got these numbers again. So the height was 360 and the width is 576. And then I believe we have it one more time in the middle. Here we go, width is 576 360. Okay, now let's update our post. Go back to the preview, refresh it. And now when it's displayed, there are no black bars. It's being displayed completely just resized. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If you have any comments or questions, please add them to the comments below.